All fifth periods, get your notes ready, it's about to go down.
Chemistry gym.
Everybody in the place, get ready to learn about them gas laws.
Chemistry gym.
Get your chem master on. We're running, baby, let's go. I'm learning gas laws. I'm learning gas laws. Everybody look at me, cause I'm learning all the gas laws. I'm learning gas laws. I'm learning gas laws. Take a good hard look at all these different gas laws.
Yeah.
I'm on a boat, chem master, take a look at me. Diving off the boat into the deeper sea. But the boils are no nitrogen in my veins. You can't stop me, boils are, I'll be in pain. Hey, attention class, we're teaching chemistry. We're showing you the gas laws, cause it's so cool you see. I got my pressure meter, and my glass. I'm selling gas on you in biology, failing class.
I'm riding on a steamboat using Charles law. The steamboat's going from all the pressure being built. But this isn't third period, this is as real as it gets. Pressure up, temperature up, don't you ever forget.
I had a ball and it was cold and in the morning I found it all flat, man. It's a very sex law. Pressure's down. If you're in biology, then you sure wouldn't know.
Get your chem game on, this class is real. Clenching my head when experiencing chem master. Pushing down on the top, chem master. Decreasing volume, increasing pressure, chem master. The end result is boiled raw, chem master. Hey Mr. Reimer, if you could feed us now. Teaching gas laws like you taught us how. We're gonna get an A in this class somehow. Like Mr. Reimer's girlfriend, anything is possible. Yeah. Never thought this lifetime flows. It's pressure and temperature rose. Get loose back, look at me. The particles move faster when the temperature got hotter. Believe me when I say the pressure gave away. Yeah. Learning gas laws. I'm learning gas laws. Take a good hard look at all these different gas laws. Chemistry!
Oh, Snoop. Don't. Nobody swear, yo. Nobody swear. These are gonna be just bloopers.
Oh, for that part we can turn water. We can turn water to wine.
You got one of you looking so.
No, we could right here. We could throw Sergio into the water for that.
Right, Daniel. Right.